Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today we're gonna bring in actually new replacements for your iWatch. And this is pretty much, if you're gonna go into the actual store and purchase these are very expensive, and some of them are way overpriced. So we're gonna take a look at these, and these are actually wristbands that they're on sale. You could buy a pack of a couple of them that come available, and we're gonna open it up, and they have multiple colors too. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna set it up and see how they look. So first of all, let's open them all up, and these are very inexpensive and well good made. They good material, same material as you buy at the Apple store, but they're a little bit better. And some of these things are could be like I said, a little pricey. These are a little bit good quality. They're still silicone, still feel that same like leather feeling, so they're the same kind of brand. Lasting wise, these are compatible. They can last you quite a while, but that's why they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, multiple colors you could choose, and we're gonna set up this one right now. And this is kind of like a violet burgundy color, and this one will be good for the iWatch version, 5-pack version for 6 series, 5 series, 4 series, and 3 series. So today we're gonna set up this little color here, if you guys can see it, and see how well it works and how easy it is to replace. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's move these to the side. We're gonna get our iWatch here, and if you can see it, this one comes with this kind of elastic one, and it's a little, it's getting a little faded out. It's getting loose already, so we're gonna replace it. So, and of course, when you do that, they're just sliders. They're very simple. You just remove it this way, and that's pretty much what you do. And then you slide it the other way too. And that's it. What I recommend you is maybe clean it up a little bit, because a lot of sweat and things like that accumulate through here and here. But you want to set it up, it's very simple. You just grab one end, you slide it, and that's pretty much it. That's one end, and then you grab the other one. You could do it for either way. You slide it in there, and that's the other end. That's pretty much it. So very simple, easy to install. If you guys can see it, we could have this color. This is the old one I had, all right, which is an extra brace, and we're gonna put them all together here. We're gonna put this one here. Very easy to install, very simple to install, and easy to pick the colors. And like I said, a pack of 5 compared to the price of one, you could buy the price of these, and they're not that bad. And these will last you the same amount as the regular ones that you buy at the store. It's a generic brand, but it's actually pretty good, and it fits well in your watch if you're gonna wear your iWatch. Very simple to use, very stylish. You could have different colors. Right now, mine is fitting on number 1, but that's good enough for me, and it's not tight. It's still loose. Like I said, you could have multiple brands, and you could buy different brands, and then they have even larger ones. Now, this is a 44 millimeters, just to let you know, but they have different, like I said, different sizes for those that have the smaller iWatch. And like I said, it's not bad. I like it. It's stylish, so I could go to work with different colors. I'm not gonna wear this one, but I got this one for my kid, or I could buy a pack and share with my friends and family. And it's a great gift for those that have multiple watches, and that there's a family that has 3 or 4 watches. You could just give them one of these and one of these family pack kind of things for Christmas or any kind of holiday that's coming up. It's not a bad idea. So like I said, for the price of one that you buy at the Apple store, you could buy all these. Real easy to install. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.